Chef Arson here, Chef Arson. Welcome in. Welcome in. Look at this. We have a beer here for Arson. Oh, delicious. It smells like the life decisions. Tastes like whatever. I'm not doing a new take. We're sticking with that one. All right. What's this? What's this, Chef Arson? Chef Arson's gonna tell you it's a rum and cola. A rum and cola. Oh, and a beer also. Mr. Cameraman, would you like some of the beer? Yes, you do. Oh, here you go. That was good said, cameraman. You can have the beer back now, Arson. Oh, okay, thanks. Okay, so welcome to our new Arson beer. Kitchen. Here, no, come, follow me. Follow me. Okay, here's the first part. Here's you know you're gonna want your refrigerator. Oh, look at this. It's a rum and cola. Oh, tastes like I'm never gonna have children because no one can love me. Oh, dude. Oh, look, there's a fridge. Oh, dude. What's gonna be in the fridge? You gotta say eggs. You gotta say bacon. You're gonna say like some normie shit, like, you know, maybe I have like juice and like bacon and eggs. Oh, look at this. Here's Mord. Don't you miss him? Give him a little smooch, Mord. Don't sniff my viewers. They need to pay for the next membership. We're gonna add new memberships. We're gonna add a new membership where you can like sniff Arson like once a month or something, right? It's gonna be so good. Okay, here we go. Review. Oh. Here you have a little thing for your salad. Keep it nice and locked up. You have these things that like something. Bouillon, always get a bouillon, always bouillon, man. I always think I don't have so I have like three. I always think I don't have it, so I always buy it. We have some mild yogurt, that's good. We have water for when Arson's like they need to sober up before work. Some water is good. Multiple eggs with bacon, juice. We have some licorice. Cause you got, my teeth, oh no. Cause you have to keep your licorice in the fridge to keep it cool and hard, you know. The best licorice is the one you buy from like the Turk lives. That's like been there for like, you know, like the expiration date doesn't show the year, you know. We have some fun exotic for like vodka, no, that's good. And we have freeze, it's not that much in there, so fuck that. But here you go. You're like, but Arson, you don't say, fuck's that? Follow me. Okay, back to the fish. Here's what you do. You have your freezer, right? Your fridge. You have it set to like 4 degrees plus. You know, that's for the normal shit. And what do you have here? You know where it's going, ain't you? It's a little bit colder in here. It's because this is your booze fridge, man. It's your booze fridge. It's the booze fridge. The boozing fridge. Oh, booze fridge, dude. Booze fridge. You have to have a booze fridge. Because then you can be like, oh no, mom, I only have, don't look at that one. If you have a mom. Have you ever had a mom chat? You have a mom that like, she comes over to where you live. Me neither. Look at this, man. 4 setups. Well, 4. Oh, what's this? Beer. Oh. Complimentary. Look at this. It's in here. I used to only have 1 plate. The bachelor's solution, right? You have 1 plate. And now I have 2 plates. Now I'm gonna use this as much as I like waste. I waste dishes as much as possible to like use this. Oh, follow me here. Have you seen a microwave, chat? Class, look at this. It doesn't rotate because it's cool. If someone comes over, dude, what's that? Your fucking microwave fucking rotates? No. And it's not even a microwave glass. Look at this. It's a fucking space cube. Do you have a space cube? You don't. You don't have a fucking space cube. Dude, this thing will nuke your coffee to lukewarm in like 20 minutes. It even comes with recipes. Ain't that neat? Class, ain't that neat? We can make fish in my microwave, in my space box, my fucking space cube. You don't have a space cube. Dude, it's the best. It's the best. Here's where we keep the noodles, right? Also, I bought these like ghost pepper ones. Maybe if you're a good class, maybe if you do your homework and then maybe, you know. Oh, look. Oh, we're gonna cook. We're cooking. We need to cook something. You know when you cook spaghetti. So you know when you cook spaghetti and you eat you know when you make like spaghetti and like minced meat, right? You make spaghetti and minced meat and then you eat all of the pasta, and then you discover at the end that there's a lot of like you eat all the pasta, right? And then you discover when you at the end that there's a lot of like minced meat at the bottom because your fork it doesn't catch the meat, right? So this you've been doing minced meat wrong this whole time. You've been doing it wrong, class. You've been doing it wrong. Here's how it's done, class. Okay, so when it's from my dad. Back in when Arson was a small guy, my dad used to cook minced meat, and he was just burning it right, left and right. And then I was like, dude, that's pretty great. Here's how to do minced meat good. And some onions too. We got us some onions. We got. The thing about onion, it doesn't need to be that finely cooked because you doesn't need to be that finely chopped. Fine, fucking cares. Alright, so here's the deal. You need the mince to be frozen. It needs to be frozen first. Frozen. Now, don't worry about that. I pre-gamed before making the video. I pre-gamed before the video a little bit. I drank some of this. Alright, oil that up a little bit. I've had sex, class. I had sex once. We're skipping that joke. And we'll plop this in there, right there, you know. Get that in there. Oh, this cook is a spaghetti. It's already pre-broken, so just get that in there, you know. Get the spaghetti. That's not enough, so we brought some extra ones, you know. You just hold it over and you break them in half. Alright, so here's the magic trick. You're ready for the magic. Here, you flip this over, right? Flip this over. And here's the life hacks of this video. We're gonna peel the top layer off here. There you go. Just pull the top layer off. Lay the top layer down beside, so it can cook, right? Lay the top layer here. This is where we're making the meat flakes. This is where the meat flakes is happening, you know. Now it's gonna happen. Alright, so ready for another flip? There it is, another flip and another, and then you see this is starting to work, so now you can start making the flakes. And you're pretty much there. Them are some good flakes, and this one's hardening right here. We'll come back to this when this is all flaked out. It's gotta be. So spaghetti's done, so we gotta lid that up so spaghetti it dries out fast. Alright, so there, now it's all flaked up. It's all in big, delicious looking flakes. You make a little room in the middle, get all them onions in there. I usually use like, you know, yellow onions, but I only had red ones, so we're using red. So from here smells dealer's choice. Salt, pepper, like garlic powder, whatever you just put whatever you want in it, whatever feels good. Like maybe chili flakes. flakes, definitely chili. Flake it up, flake it in there, dude. And we always use the resters. Always use whatever chili flakes you have left. Just whatever spices you want. It's time for the cream. 15% alcohol in the cream. And you add a fuck tomato, man. You're making cream mince. Cream mince is the best mince. And you just add one of them bouillons that you keep buying too many of. You add one of those bouillons in there. And a little bit of soy is always also good. All of them until it looks like it's good. And a little taste test. A little taste test here, you know, see if it's good. Make sure to make that TikTok face like over exaggerated, like you never tasted food in your life. It's like, like you're creaming your pants for the TikTok views. Make sure you over exaggerate everybody. And you feel you got the meat flake sauce to a place where you want it. You just let it marry. Let the meat sauce marry into the spaghetti. And just like that, you'll be able to pick up equal amounts of meat and spaghetti with every bite. So it doesn't like meat. So it's not like only mince in a bar. Eat one bite-sized meat flake with every bite. Arson meat minced meat in class, please. Chef Arson out.